Hello everyone! I am Leonard John V. Carillo and I welcome you all to my educational YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about the models of evaluation, specifically educational model. So what is an educational model? It integrates measurement and evaluation with the instructional process. We all know that measurement is the act of assessing and evaluation implies comparison and decision making. And also, educational model is dynamic. Dynamic in a way where teachers can change its path to another way. It's that dynamic. And also, it provides information needed to alter or to change any aspect of educational process. Now, the question assigned to me is, how can I apply the educational model in my teaching practice? As you can all see, figure 1.2 shows 5 steps in order to attain this. Now for our first example, we have Petong or a Thai ball game. So the first step was to teach them the English vocabulary and to let them appreciate the concept of the game in English. Now for my step 2, which is the pre-test, is to answer the question how much has already been learned and what are the current capabilities and status of the students. I gave them English vocabulary cards in order for me to see to it if they are familiar with the words, and also I let each of them explain the concept of the game in English. Now for step 3, I gave them instructions as to what will be happening in this session or at that moment. And for step 4, which is the measurement, this is in order for me to see to it if they have really understood the concept of the game. And lastly, the evaluation. This is where I saw that all of them really have understood the game and the concept itself in English. For our second example, we have badminton. And the first objective is the English vocabulary, the skills, and the concept of the game to be taught to the students. And for step 2, which is pre-test, this is where I let them perform in order to see to it if they have the skills. And step 3, we have instruction. I have instructed them what to do next in order for their skills to be enhanced. And step 4, we have measurement. This is the time where I pair them with each other so that I can measure their skills. And lastly, step 5, which is the evaluation. And for my third example, which is running, for my first objective was to teach them the English vocabulary and to help them improve their skills. For step 2, we have pre-test. I let them run 21 kilometers, 50 kilometers, and 100 kilometers, which is timed to see to it if they have the skills. Now for step 3, which is the instruction. This is the part where I told them what will be happening in the class during the semester. Now we have step 4, which is the measurement. I let them run again the 20 kilometers and 50 kilometers to see if they have improved all throughout the semester. And lastly, for the evaluation. This is the part where I saw that they have improved. In conclusion, we can now answer, how can I apply the educational model in my teaching practice? By means of integrating it to the educational process. You will have ease in teaching your students because you follow something that is already organized. That will be all. Thank you for listening and see you soon.